Hi learners, it's glad to see you in Krishna's space. Today is the day 76 of our 300 days DSA journey. So it's time for our today's problem. Let's understand it. So today's problem is largest three same digit number in a string. Here we have given a string called num, which is representing a large integer, and an integer is good if it meets the following condition. So they have given two conditions. First is it is a substring of num with length 3, and second one is it consists of only one unique digit. So basically if both the condition will going to be fulfilled, then we are going to say it is a good integer. And in the last we have to return maximum good integer as a string or an empty string if no such integer exists. Also they have given a note, which is a substring is a contiguous sequence of characters within a string, which we already know. And the second one is there may be a leading zeros in num or a good integer. So that means we can have zeros in our string as well. So now let's get into the example to understand it more better. So as we can see in the example 1, we have given a string as 6 777 1 4 times 3 and 9, and we can see there are two distinct good integers 777 and 333, and you can see in the output they have given 777. It's not because it comes first but because it is greater than 333. Same in example 2 as well, we have given a string as 230019, and in the output they have written 000 because it is only good integer in our string. And in example 3 we can see we have given an empty integer, which means there are no good integer in our array. So now let's understand how I approach this problem. So to solve this problem, we are going to compare three consecutive numbers. If they are going to be same, then we are going to put it into our answer. Here if we are going to put good integer in our answer, we are going to have a condition which is it should be greater. So basically in our answer we are going to have greater good integer. So that's what I have done in my code as well. As you can see, I have done a loop, and inside the loop I am comparing three consecutive numbers. If they are going to be same, then we are going to put into my answer. Also I have used max function here, so that means whichever the good integer will be greater, it will be in my answer. And in the last we are going to return our answer. So let's take the example 1 to understand it more better. So in the first run we are going to compare 677, which we know it is not same. So we are going to move forward and going to compare 777, which we know they are same. So we are going to put into my answer, and now my answer will be 777 because before it was an empty string. After that we are going to compare 771, which is not same. So we are going to move forward, and now we are going to compare 713. Again they are not same, so we are going to move forward, and now we are going to compare 133. Again it is not same, so we are going to compare 333, and now we know they are same, so we are going to put into our answer. But as we have put maximum function here, so we are going to have maximum number in our answer. So in my answer we will have 777 because it is greater than 333. And again we are going to compare 333, and we will get inside the if block, and our answer remain unchanged because 777 is greater than 333. Thereafter we are going to compare 339, which we know they are not same. So we are going to come out from this loop because my I will goes from 0 to length of nums minus 3. So now we have already traversed through our whole string. So we are going to come out from our loop and going to return our answer, which is 777. So that's how I have solved this problem. If you guys have any other solution of it, do write it on comment, and thank you so much for watching this video and staying with me.